Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to create a combo chart in QlikView. So I have loaded a data. So how we have to load, I will show you. Go to the file, go to this particular edit script. Over here I have loaded the data. You can see this is nothing but the code. From this load you can see that this is the code. This is basically an order sheet. As I have loaded the data, I will click on reload. Now it will show you which sheet you have loaded. So order sheet is being loaded. Now I'll go to this particular canvas, or this is called as QlikView document. Right click over here, click on new sheet object, go to this particular chart, select the chart as this combo chart. So we'll give the name as region wise profit, sales and profit. So I'll click next. So I'll add this particular region, city, select the table as orders table, click on this. Now we have to select the expression. So sum of sales, click on OK. Then add again, because in the combo chart the expressions which we have to write in this, so we can take two expressions which will be having numeral data. So sum of from the table orders, click on this particular profit, click on profit, paste it, click on OK. So you can see over here one of the chart is going to represent some of the sales and another is some of profit. One of the chart represents bar, another chart represents line. So this will be shown on the same axis. Click on next. So if you want in this particular manner, click next. Next. Okay, if you want to represent the values on the data point, so we have to click on this particular values on data point. Click on next, 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 and then finish. So this is looking very much small according to this. So I'll go to the properties. I'll go to this particular dimensions. So I'll remove this particular. I'll click on this and I'll remove this. I'll click on apply. I'll click on OK. Now it's okay. Now we can see that on this particular case, this line graph or line chart is going to represent the sum of profit, and another, the bar chart, is going to represent the sum of sales. And these are nothing but the data points which is provided at the top. So likewise, this is the data points which is showing both the cases. So some of the profit is being shown over here. So I hope you have understood how to create a combo chart in case of you.